Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your virtual piano teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of this channel. I'm leaving the link in the description of this video, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel, Gianluca Fronda, pianist and composer, if you're interested in original music and covers. Talking about this channel, don't forget to subscribe and let me know about yourself by commenting. Tell me when you have started, if you're finding my channel interesting and you're improving your skills also thanks to my videos. And don't forget also to share with your friends if there is anybody interested in piano music, anybody that you know. So now time to go to our lesson. Today is time to talk about Lightly Raw on page 19 of John Thompson's Easiest Piano Course Part 2. This one is the first big check related to the key signature. Let's go a little bit back in time. Here there is no sign of flat or sharp, neither here. This one is the first one with sharp in the key signature that made the key signature G major, and this one was the first one where the B flat became a key signature element, making the key signature F major. Now, obviously here you had the reminder, yeah? It was the first time and you could definitely remember. In Lightly Raw, we check if you have learned the concept of key signature in the ballet dancer on page 13. It's really likely that the student forget about the key signature and the B flat, but obviously after a few times, after one lesson or two lessons, it really remains. So let's be simply careful. Let's remember that when you see this typical B, that is this flat sign on the third line of the treble clef and on the second line of the bass clef, because we have the B here in bass clef and the B is here in the treble clef, it means that the B, all the B's of the song have to be played flat. Okay? Indeed, the first B that you have to play flat is this one. Then the second one will be this one. Then we have again B flat here, again B flat here, B flat again here, B flat again, and that's it. In the left hand you will find a B flat here, B flat again here, and that's it. Try, if you can, obviously, try to avoid to add the flat before. I know that many times the student help himself or herself writing the flat sign before the note. It has to be flat, and try if you can. Now let's play first of all Lightly Raw at a higher speed. Yeah, we have to place the left hand in position Thompson part 1 with the thumb on the middle C, and the right hand with the thumb on F and the little finger on the C, because indeed, let's check, this is the C. Yeah, we have learned this note exactly in on page 16, where we learned the three new notes A, B and C. There is one more check in Lightly Raw if you have learned the new notes. This is C, the new C that you have here. This is the middle C, this is the C that you need. Then you have the A, that was the first new note that you have learned, the one that you will play with the third finger. And then this is the B flat, as we have mentioned, that you will play with the fourth. But by placing the hand in this way you won't be in trouble. Now let's play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now Now let's clarify a few things related to the way you have to study lightly row, and what can definitely help. Let's write first of all the fingering. That definitely helps when you have to play hands together. So we have 5 and 3 here, there is no need. Here we have 4. Let's write 2. We have the left hand fingers already written. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is confirmed. Here we have 3, 1, 3, 1. Then again, the main theme, we confirm simply the fingering. Then we have 4, 2, 2, and we have 1 now, 3, 5, 5 obviously again, 3. Let's write 1 second the left hand fingers. We have 5, 1, 3, 4, 5. Then we have 2 and 2. You don't need to write anything because it's the same note. Now I like here usually to write in the middle. Why? Because they are using both hands the same identical fingers. So you don't need to write 2, 3, 4 on top and 2, 3, 4 underneath, because look, this is the situation here. Obviously now let's go to the third line. Here is definitely needed to write on top the right hand fingers. 3 for the first bar, 5, it's not easy, sorry, 5 for the left hand. Then we have 3 confirmed, but maybe let's write again now, 4 and 5, here 5, 4 and 3. This is a parallel motion, both hands are going up. This one was a contrary motion. That's why it was possible to write the fingers in the middle, because in this way they are using the same identical fingers if they are going up, up the right and down the left. Then we have 5 left, 5 again, better to write it down, 3, 3, 1 left, 4, 2, 2, then we have 3, 4, and 5. Here we have 1, 3, 5, 5 confirmed, and 3 at the end. Then, one more important thing to clarify. Since this one is one of the first, yeah, I could say yeah, this one was the first one with many bars, hands together. This one is, let's say, the first one with all the bars, hands together. Study very well single hands first. First the right, then the left. Obviously also the right if you need. Study a few blocks. For bars, for example, or even 2. You repeat many times, then you pass to the following block of 4 or block of 2. You have to really try to find your own way, but I suggest you to study a few bars per time. Then, once the single hands are mastered very well, you can start working hands together and start studying 2 bars per time. And then you move to the second block of 2 bars. Step by step you build up. Don't work on the whole one at once, because it doesn't help and it makes you waste time instead of gaining time. A very strict and simple method helps you gaining time instead of wasting time. Now let's play lightly row really slowly, and then I think that we don't need to clarify anything else. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, here we are, that's it. So if you apply that very simple and strict method of studying few bars per time, first of all the right hand, then the left, then you put together just few bars per time, hands together, and you study with lots of patience, you can definitely succeed. Anyways, if you have any extra question, don't hesitate to comment to let me know how it's going, if you're improving quite well. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have never done before. Thank you very much for today and see you in the next video.